Okay, we're gonna sneak into this bitch house. She ain't gonna know what hit her. We're gonna get in there and rob her ass. She ain't gonna fight back. She don't even know how to fucking fight. This is gonna be fucking awesome. Just you watch.
Look, going without sleep is driving me crazy. Get up. There's someone here. There's someone in the apartment. The phone on the desk. I could call for help. The front door. It's the only way out. If I can reach it, I still have a chance. They must have got in while I was asleep.
Oh shit. My dude. That was a fucking fail.